Good morning, everyone. Girls can improve their lives by taking loan for higher education at concessional rate. Under the scheme, 5% subsidy is available on interest, interest on education loan. Haryana Women Development Corporation gives 5% subsidy on interest rate to girls and women on taking loan from banks to get higher education in the country and abroad. It is necessary for the women and girl taking advantage of the scheme to become a permanent residents of Haryana. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that no girl student should be deprived of getting higher education due to expensive interest rate. Therefore, the government is committed to give subsidy at 5% interest rate to girls and women on getting higher education with the aim of giving interest to the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign of the government of India. Girls and women should not face any problem to get higher education. He informed that for girls and women to take admission in technical education, diploma, post graduation, PhD, and under higher education courses, 5% interest amount on education loan is reimbursed by Mahila Vikas Nigam. He informed that there is no under condition including income cost to available this facility. For these girls and women should be permanent residents of Haryana. The scheme is proving to very beneficial for girls and women. For the any other information in this regard, Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam office can be contacted. Officials should take complaints related to CM window seriously and take immediate action. The ambitious schemes of the government are being implemented effectively on the digital platform. In such a situation, all the department head should ensure promote resolution of problems and complaints coming on the CM window related to their department and should not show any kind of laxity in this work. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has directed that the officers of all departments should ensure immediately redressal of complaints received on CM window and take action on them on priority basis. There should be no laxity in this work. The departments which have not undertook complaints related to CM window should undertake them immediately. The complaints which are pending on CM window for a long time should be answered as soon as possible, and after the resolution of CM window, the action taken report must be uploaded. He said that CM window is the important scheme of the government which the Chief Minister himself is monitoring. Only the correct documents should be uploaded on the portal relation to the complaints received on the Chief Minister's grievance redressal portal. All officers should personally monitor the complaints related to their respective departments in relation to CM window on a daily basis. He said that negligence in complaints related to CM window will not be tolerated under any circumstances. Thank you. Take care.